Hello everyone and welcome to learn more about Fingertip for Teams. In this video, I will demonstrate an example use case of how to use Fingertip meeting object in an executive team meeting to decide about important matters and review the company's direction. Let's get into it. First, we'll need to create a new meeting for the executive team meeting by setting the title, description, and inviting the executive team, which is a team in Microsoft Teams, to be part of the meeting. Let's create the meeting and start collaborating. This is the meeting workspace. Like every Fingertip object, the meeting follows a certain lifecycle of phases to indicate the status of the meeting. Below, I'm able to see details about the meeting, the people I just invited, and more. On the right is the agenda for the meeting. Let's start building the agenda for this executive team meeting. The first item, we're going to have greetings from everybody, an introduction to the agenda that I'm building right now. Here I have other options such as describing the agenda item better, linking other Fingertip objects from the system, setting the duration of the item, and also assigning it to a specific person. This agenda item looks good, so I will correct that. And as you can see, it shows up in the agenda list visible for everyone invited participant. The next agenda item should include discussion about company strategy. I could use the description field, but to make the strategy truly transparent to everyone, I can link an already existing Fingertip object from the system. Now everyone in the meeting knows what strategy is the one in question. As the next item part of the executive team meeting, we have decisions to be decided. I have already created an approval to approve the new strategic direction of 2023. During the meeting, the executive team will discuss about this approval and make the final decision. The last agenda item will collect all the action items such as tasks and notes assigned to meeting members. Now, when I have prepared the agenda, let's move the meeting to the invite phase. This action will send a calendar invitation to everyone part of the meeting and will be visible in the Microsoft Teams calendar. Additionally, I could send a direct or a channel message to everyone part of the meeting so they are aware of the agenda. Now it's time to start the meeting. To indicate this, let's move the meeting to the meeting phase. As the agenda items are discussed and completed, it's possible to indicate this with the Fingertip traffic light. Here I mark the item as completed. Here is the plan that I linked earlier to this agenda item. By clicking on it, it opens the entire plan and the team can easily discuss about the object. Now the plan has been discussed and I will mark the item as completed. Well done. Next, let's approve the company strategy with this approval. Looks like the approval got enough support in the meeting, so we can close it by clicking approve. Great. This meeting also triggered a couple of tasks for the meeting members. The tasks were added in the action items agenda item, so they are transparent to everyone taking part of the meeting. The meeting has now ended, so let's move it to the close phase. And that's it. With the meeting object, you can discuss about anything with an interactive agenda. The agenda is easy to create and the items are nicely visualized to everyone part of the meeting. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.